In this video, I tell you how to reduce swollen feet. Medically, any swelling in the body is called edema. When the body fluids accumulate in one part of the body, in this case the feet become swollen. This swelling can or cannot be accompanied by pain. Here are some home remedies for swollen feet. Number 1 is Epsom salt. Fill half the bucket with warm water and add half cup of Epsom salt to it and mix well. Soak your swollen feet in this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also use common salt instead of Epsom salt. Number 2 is baking soda. You need 2 teaspoons baking soda and 2 teaspoons rice water. Boil rice and use the saltwater to water that you get once the rice is almost cooked. Mix the baking soda with the rice water to make a paste. Apply it, cover your feet and keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 3 is essential oil soak. You need 3 to 4 eucalyptus oil, 3 to 4 drops peppermint oil, 3 to 4 drops lemon essential oil and 1/2 bucket warm water. Pour the essential oil in warm water and stir well. Soak your feet in this blend for 15 minutes. Number 4 is lemon solution. Mix 1 teaspoon lemon juice and half teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon olive oil and 1 teaspoon milk to get a paste liquid. Apply it all over your swollen feet. Number 5 is apple cider vinegar. You need 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 to 3 cups of warm water and 2 to 3 cups of cold water a towel. Mix half cup of apple cider vinegar with the warm water and apply it on your feet. Number 6 is ginger essential oil. You need a few drops of ginger essential oil and 1 to 2 tablespoons of carrier oil. Mix the essential oil with carrier oil. Massage your feet gently with the blend for 5 to 10 minutes. Number 7 is grapefruit oil. Mix 4 to 5 drops grapefruit oil with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix the oils and massage the affected area with the mixture.